Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the latest AI-powered features that Filmora Mobile has just introduced to make your video editing experience smarter, faster, and more intuitive. So, whether you're a pro or a beginner, these new tools are sure to enhance your editing workflow. Let's jump right in. Let's choose AI Show. You can either edit image or video. I selected video. Hit AI generated. Choose your video. Select part of video you want to use. This will take some time. Here is the result. All AI tools are just click away. Be sure to give these features a try next time you're editing, and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this one.